What if your AI agent can use any tool on the internet without writing a single code? No more chasing APIs, just plug in and it works. Sounds like a magic, right? But not. It is MCP, the Model Context Protocol. This is going to be the invisible engine behind new generational AI agents. In this video, we will cover how you can learn MCP and what MCP is all about and how you can 10x your agent build. Now, before moving ahead, let me introduce myself. My name is Gaurav Medawa, founder of ClusterX, where we build AI agents. Context protocol is becoming the new way of building highly efficient AI agents in a very simplified manner. It was launched by Anthropic last year in the month of November, and so far it has got the worldwide attention. And the reason behind is it has massive application in agent building. Now, if you don't know about AI agent revolution, watch this video, you will get to know more about AI agents are. Now, in this video, you will understand what MCP is, how MCP look like technically, how MCP is going to be our next big evolution in AI automation, and how MCP can be used in real life world applications. Now, let's understand what MCP is. Model Context Protocol is a new standard way of connecting AI agents with different tools and APIs without writing custom integration. It makes your agent to plug into any service and tool using a shared language so that you can build faster and scale more easily. Additionally, every tool required a custom integration with different parameters, headers, or tokens, and error handling logics. But with MCP, one-time configuration will configure all other applications that fall under Model Context Protocol. And so far, there are more than 8,000 plus applications that fall under MCP, so that you can configuration only one time, and all other these applications will be configured autonomously. Now let's come to how MCP look like technically. Let's get into the deeper side. So there are three components in MCP. The one is MCP client, second one is MCP server, and the third one is MCP host. When you build an AI agent, the AI agent itself is an MCP client. Here comes the MCP host. So it's like an API marketplace for your AI agent, but built for your use cases. In simple words, this is the configuration environment where you define all your different tools, and your agent can access these tools by a common middleman, that is MCP server. Now let's discuss how MCP is going to be a big revolution for AI automation industry. Building agents and their tools is a tedious process, and the most one is configuring these tools. Now there are the four different pillars that we are achieving using MCP. The first one is speed. Previously, building different APIs were taking hours of time, but now it has become a matter of minutes. So AI agents is becoming more faster now. There comes the reliability. The MCP server handles and retires common errors, so your AI agent does not crash even if your any of the tool crashes. Now there comes the scalability. Adding and removing tools without breaking any changes in the system is easy with MCP. So you don't need to reprogram anything, do any changes in the APIs and different programs. There comes the uniform interfaces. Every tool, no matter what it does, looks same to the AI agent because now the all the tools are following the standard protocol. So you spend a very less time solving every time unique weird cases. Now let's discuss how MCP can be used in real world applications. Imagine you have an AI assistant and you talk to that assistant and you ask, hey, book a flight for me and send me the tickets on my mails. Now, here, your AI agent is the MCP client that talks to the MCP server and say, I need to use two different tools, the email tool and the flight booking tool. Now, here, your MCP server look at the host, identify the different tools and APIs that are available, grab their credential, formats the call correctly, and then returns the information to the assistant, all without the agent knowing how these tools are working internally. MCP is going to be one of the biggest revolution for AI agent building, and it is becoming more faster, more reliable, more scalable, and with higher uniformity. Building AI agents is becoming more faster now and becoming more easy with MCP. Now, I'm giving the documentation in the description box where you can check out and read all about it. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'll be catching you in the next video.